Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. In this month's episode, I really want to talk to you all about what the news has kind of sensationalized as far as demand and supply goes, and what we've kind of been seeing in terms of interest level from buyers in buying property and from sellers in terms of selling. So, as I'm sure many of you have seen on the news over the course of the past couple months, sales volume is down by over 50%, in some areas even more than that. What's important to understand is that the reason that sales volume is down is not just because there's less buyers looking to buy, it is also because less sellers are putting their places on the market. A lot of people don't want to sell at a loss, so they're actually holding on to their property until times get a little better. And a lot of buyers, of course, are waiting to see if interest rates will go down. What I want to tell all of you is that if you are looking to buy and you are in the market right now, there's never going to really feel like that sweet spot. Prices are at their lowest right now, and yes, a lot of you are waiting until interest rates start to come down a little bit, but it's really, really hard to time the market, similarly as it's really hard to time the stock market. So what I always hear around my world is you marry the house, but you date the rate. I think this is an important message to say to all of you. You're buying a house that you love, and you're also buying it right now at a lower cost than you would have this time last year. You're dating the rate, which means you're only going to be locked in with that rate for maybe 3 to 5 years, depending on what your mortgage term is. And then hopefully by 5 years' time, rates will be further down and you'll really be able to capitalize on the fact that you bought during a time when the market was down. Another misconception I really want to focus on in this video is the fact that there are no buyers out there and that there's just tons of deals. Well, this really is based off of micro markets, which I've talked about in subsequent episodes. So I've been in a lot of buyer bidding wars lately on housing. So if you're kind of looking in that sweet spot, maybe you're a first-time home buyer, maybe this is your second home after buying into a condo, and you're looking at attached row houses or semi-detached entry level, so $999 to $1.4 million, these homes are still selling. These homes are selling easily. If it's a home that doesn't need much work and it's priced properly, I've been in a couple bidding wars lately that have between 10 to 20 people come forward in areas such as Mimico, Trinity Bellwoods, The Junction, you name it. It really is right now based off of what the product is and whether or not it's desirable. So these are the messages I really want to reinforce to all of you guys. If you are out there looking for a deal, you're going to have to change your mindset slightly and start going for places that maybe aren't seen as quite as valuable. So maybe a condo, condos have gone quite a bit down, or looking for a fixer-upper house. Those as well are a good place to start. Anyway, I hope this was helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thanks, guys.